Hello and welcome to Confident Parenting. I am the founder, Erica Desper, and I'm so glad that you found us. I just wanted to take a minute to welcome you and let you know that we are a village of resources for parents to help you with all the challenges that you face when you are growing your family. You can find links to learn more about our resources in your newsletter below. You can find some sleep tips, some potty training tips, and hear what families that have worked with us in the past have to say. I would love to hear from you. If you'd like to hit reply and let us know what your family is struggling with and how we can help, please feel free to do that. And after this newsletter, you will receive our twice monthly newsletter chock full of tips and events from all of the members in the village. So thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to chatting with you in the future. Let us know how we can help make your family life easier.